Okay, we are going to learn how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given line. So for that, supposing this is a line that is given, and we need to draw up a bisector which is perpendicular to this line. And bisector is a line that will divide this given line into two equal halves, right? So first step, draw the line. Next step, take your compass, measure a radius which is approximately more than half of this given line, right? And from one end point, cut an arc of by taking a radius which is more than half. Cut an arc on both the sides. Now, without disturbing the radius, with the same radius that you have cut the previous arc, put the needle at the other end and cut another arc to cut your previous arc, right? At both the ends, we are going to cut two arcs like this. Now, what we need to do is just join these points. The points that we've got, we are going to join them. Just ensure that these 2 points, the line that you're drawing should pass through these points exactly. It should not be a little away from the given line. Now, finally, you can label your line. Now, if this is the line given, A, B, if you'll take a protractor and measure, you'll see this is 90-degree. This is your perpendicular bisector. You can name it as L, M, and this is the point of intersection P. So this is how you draw a perpendicular bisector. So you can check also whether the given line has been divided into two equal halves or not. Now our line was for 9 centimeters. Now if you see this bisector, this perpendicular that we've drawn is exactly at 4.5. So that means this line has bisected the given line. And you can check whether it is exactly 90-degree or not. So you take the protractor. Now, this given line, if you see, is exactly 90, right? So that's exactly 90.